Hi guys, in this video I'm going to tell you that how to install Trust Wallet, because Trust Wallet is required just for T-Life purpose. I'm going to tell you that. First you need to install the Trust Wallet. How do we install it? First search Trust Wallet and you will see this. Then you need to click on the install. It will be installing. So it's being installed. Now you can see that it has been installed successfully. Now you need to open it. Click on the open and then it will be opening. Then you need to click on get started, and once you click on the get started you will see the next phase. On I don't have a wallet. If you already have a wallet, then you need to click I already have a wallet. If you do not have, if you are beginner, it means that you are installing this wallet first time, then you need to click on I do not have a wallet. Click on this, and you need to create a passcode. If you want to recover your phrase backup, so you can backup to Google Drive or backup manually. Backup manually means you can note it down, you can write it in your diary or somewhere else. Backup manually, I'll do that because I don't trust Google Drive sometimes. You can read it, backup your wallet now. I don't need to backup. If I lose my secret phrase, my funds will be lost forever. If I expose or share my secret, so this is like indication the situation. If you lose, if you something like that, so I'll click three of them, then I'll click on continue. Now you can note it down. If I think you will not see these key phrases, it will be a dark. So there are 12 key phrases, not 10. I told you 10, but these are 12 key phrases which you need to note it down in your diary. So make sure that you are writing it down. So these are the key phrases. I have settled it down. It means like the serial wise I have written over here. So what I need to do, I need to click on done. It's being created now, the wallet. It has been created, and now you will see that it has been successfully installed, and it has successfully created the wallet, and successfully created. In next video I'm going to tell you how do we add the T-Life coin. You need to add. How will you add that? I'm going to tell you in next video.